She living life low. She's back. I'm so excited. So excited, you guys. Like, I've been waiting, looking for these at different Dollar Trees, saw this on Chicken and Cheap, and have been looking for them, and I found them. I'm very excited right now. So these bad boys, let me give you the stats first of all. It's 12 inches by 7.9 inches by 6.3 inches. These are pretty large. These are collapsible bins. I saw these. I was looking for these at every store. This is what they look like. So I just found some here. And the two colors are this gray and blue. And they've got this white color here. And yeah. And they're over here where all of the rest of the, storage bins are. I was not expecting to find it. Honestly, I was going to do a little, just like a little story and be like, oh, here's these. Oh, how about I just looked over here and these are the same ones. What? This looks like these have black handles. These are blue with gray handles. And then the white ones, unfortunately, it looks like there's only 3. There's these 1, 2, and 3. So that's what's going down. Now I want to do a quick voiceover because I looked these up since I got home. I looked these up on Amazon and Google, and you guys, at Five Below they have something similar that's smaller, or I think it's a little smaller or maybe equivalent. That's $5, $5.55, and then they also have some on Amazon that are, I think, 5 for $24.99, which is $5 a piece. You guys, they're about the same size. I mean, this is crazy. These are $1.25. So I picked up 2 of these, and I'm going to show you guys later how I actually use them. I'm going to open them up and do a little, unboxing and show you guys that. Y'all, if they had one that was open though, I'm not gonna be that ghetto person that opens them. I have a video that has like 7,000 or 9,000 now, I don't know, views, and that one's an organizational video that I did last year, but this is going to be updated. Now these are the locker bins. Do y'all see how big they are? It's backwards, so, and I don't see any that are open and available for me to get for y'all, but these are bomb diggity. I use these underneath my bathroom sink, as well as, let's see if they have the oldie but goodie. I don't see the oldie but goodie. Oh, nope, this isn't it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay, so they've had these, but these look bigger than what they had before. You know, the little storage baskets with the handles? That looks a lot bigger than they were before. These, I don't think I've seen with that basket weave. These are, oh, is this the same? Hold on, is that the same storage basket? These definitely are bigger, y'all. These are bigger. Okay, do y'all see? I got a big hand. I'm 5'10". I wear a size 10 shoe. These are bigger. Okay, definitely. These are really great to use in your pantry. If you have snacks and stuff, you can stack these, and your kids can just reach your little grubby hands in there and get those. These I also use in my refrigerator up here. They just pull out. You can put anything in here. I mean, eggs, snacks, whatever, yogurts. I use yogurts, apple sauces, things like that. I put in mine, and then I just pull them out, and they're the designated, what you use. Let's see here. I'm so shocked at these, y'all. I really wish they had one that was open. Like, I know, make it make sense, Michelle, but honestly, it's so crazy that they have these. I'm so excited. So these little teeny baskets, well, these are Sterilite. Nice. Yeah, with a little handle. Not bad. I don't see what I would put in there, but these probably could also go in a pantry or in your refrigerator. I just like clear, or if you're going to stick with a color, do the same exact color. Okay, they've had these are like the shoe boxes, and they've got lids. Oh, these are nice acrylic boxes. Okay, those are nice for like makeup organization. They've got these. I've bought this before. Now this is a paper tray. Super cute. I think it's super cute to go in your desk office. These are good for bananas and fruit and things. Just depends on how you want to color coordinate your kitchen. I've used these before for storage as well, under the sink storage. But if I have my druthers, honestly, I really want to check these out, because these are so large, but the fact that they collapse when you don't need them, and sometimes I take stuff out of storage or I change things out or whatever, and I don't have a place to just put these. Yes, they stack if they're the same exact, you know, storage item, but if they're not, then you got a whole bunch of different storage items. These bad boys, they collapse down and you can just stack them on top of each other, and to me, this is the way to go. And you can put that anywhere. I live in an apartment, so that's way better for me as far as storage options, and it's a fairly large basket, so it can go pretty much anywhere. But I love that collapse. That's pretty cool. Oh, okay, never saw those before. I don't know where they go on. Interesting. Yeah, here are those pullouts that I showed you. See how long they are, and that's how deep they are. And like I said, I put applesauces, yogurts, and just pull them out of my fridge, and they are so awesome sauce. So this one is a smaller version. They have a larger version. The smaller version can go under cabinets and stuff. If you have, you know, spaces that aren't very tall, then that can go there. But as for me in my house, don't judge me, y'all. I do have the trash cans. These are really small, but they do the job. I like the IKEA trash cans a little better. They used to be $1. They're like $1.50 or $2 now. I still like them better because they hold more. So that's gonna always be my option. Here's another option for storage, for trash, or for storage, because it's actually cute. These I like for soft storage, not necessarily for clothing. I've used them for clothing, try to stack stuff up, the sides of them will break. But for soft storage, like for your kids that have soft toys, you can just throw everything in there, and they are really good for that. This one is different. And oh, okay, so Chick on the Cheap did show this one, and it's got a little handle, and it's super cute. And of course you can see it's smaller than these, but it also is a little more sturdier. I think the plastic's more sturdy. I did get these before, and these are bomb diggity as far as storage bins. Very large, very, very nice. You just have to have a place, like I said, to put them. But I mean, at one point I had these in my closet, and I was storing extra undies, socks, bras, all the things. Look at God. Remember I said the oldie but goodie that I didn't see? It's right there. So these, now what I've noticed is that the plastic on these seems a lot less sturdy than the older ones. The size also may be a little smaller. I don't know, I can't tell, but these are still an oldie but goodie. Let me show you. So say you got storage underneath your bathroom sink, boom, okay, but these bad boys will also stack. So I haven't had very much luck in the stacking department if you put things that are a little too heavy, but let's see. Yeah, see there, if you put stuff that's a little too heavy, but they are supposed to stack, and sometimes it works. But I like these for under cabinet storage, whether it's your kitchen or your bathroom. You got it, it works. So yeah, guys, so I'm done. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other storage options out of what you see here. Do not walk to Dollar Tree and get you some of these. Seriously, they are all the rage. Are these? And as you can see, they don't have many colors. This dark grayish black, and then this dark cobalt blue. Go check it out, see if it works for you, figure out which options will work for your home. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. and leave a comment below which storage item is your favorite, and if you've used these, how did you use them in your home? Really excited. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button to become a member of the Chel fam bam. How you living life, loves? I hope you guys had an amazing day. I hope you remember that God loves you, and I do too. And God bless you. Bye, guys.